Welcome. I want to talk today about a brand new technology that Coval Molecular Coatings has developed with our chemist. 450. And the aluminum is just going to twist. Absolutely perfect. No blistering. So the right side is our coating, the left side is uncoated. You can see the sizzling and burning through the aluminum. Coated metal. One side is traditional powder coating. It looks like it's completely covered, 100%. You cannot see any voids. On this half, we put our metal coat over the top of it. And what I'm going to do for you can see I've done this a few times, is I'm going to take a permanent marker, which when they described it as a permanent marker, they didn't know about Coval Molecular Coatings because it's not permanent on here. Okay? Came right off on that side. Now this side, you can still see that line. I could get the surface part. This has our concrete coat. If you were to put permanent marker on grout, which is very porous, it would bleed through. We're going to go ahead and coat the grout. So once again, I'll just spray a little chemical on here, which is just soy. Do you see it just running off now? That's on grout. You don't need to do that. We've been on hotel lobbies for a year now. They've never had to wax them again. I'm just going to take, and the other thing that's, see how that came off? We'll do that. The letters are now preserved, okay? So we're just going to spray a little bit on here, and the only thing that's wiping off is actually the permanent marker. So now you don't have to throw the sign away. The amount of money that can be saved every time it gets tagged, you nearly wipe it off. Paper towel will normally completely absorb water. What you're going to see on the two edges. So I'm just going to push it into the water, and you can see how the center remains completely dry. And I'll completely submerge this underwater. We'll just bury the whole thing, and you can see the center is still dry. I've left this as long as 3 days in the aquarium. Goes on clear. The best way to apply this is with a pump sprayer. But it just adds a very nice natural look, and we're going to time this for you right now. I've finished my application. It just brought out the color of this natural stone. Okay, so we've just completed 1 minute, as you can see in the timer. You can touch it, completely dry. And now I'm going to pour water on this. Now, if this were a traditional sealer, it would turn white or it would soak in. Now, we're going to go on the unsealed side to let you know how porous it is. That just soaked right in. As you can tell, there's no difference in the feel or the appearance. So on this side, you can see it just immediately, completely just soaks right in. So that water is going down in there, deep into the pores. Where on this other side, you can see it doesn't even go in, it just sits there on top. stainless steel appliance, fingerprints all over it, is, I'm just going to put the conditioner on it. You only have to do this when it really gets bad. After you put it on one time, then the maintenance. See how easy the fingerprints just completely removed? The left side here, we use the hydrophilic over the hydrophobic. And you can see again the water spots come back. They do wipe off, but they're on there fairly hard. But with the hydrophilic, we have hardly any. This has been on for about 4 months now. So to clean the windows, again, no more water. You just wipe on the conditioner. We're just going to do this half, and that's it. That's all we're going to do. A little water.